my honor and privilege to welcome you this morning to this special and important engagement. Thank you for joining us as part of our continuing engagement with business organizations, stakeholders, and industry leaders. We are proud to present our proposed 41.6 billion 2016-2017 budget.
Dube Trade Port again and Konobia, really we're talking about development that are taking place. There's more movement now in terms of Konobia, in terms of housing, the new shopping center that is being put there, plus all the industrial parks that have been developed together with our partners in Tonga Tulet. So there's a lot of development that are taking place. Primarily, we are also building new roads, infrastructure, and other related infrastructure.
It's now opportune for us to hear from our partners as to what impressions they have of what the city manager has just said.
The budget is no surprise to us. As a matter of fact, we have full confidence in the leadership, both at the political and administrative level. Krish Kumar is an old hand at handling budgets. He's been around most probably the longest of all the treasurers in the country. It's an understanding we have with him as business, and he's trying always his best to manage the allocations between the social spending and obviously the commercial spending. We appreciate that work and that partnership, which under the leadership of the mayor and Stu Sitola, has matured to the level where we can now do business properly. Thank you.
There are problems, but there are good signs as well, Mr. Mayor. Under your watch, we've seen the city moving from an unqualified audit to a clean audit. And we say to that, congratulations, well done, but please keep it up. We'll be watching the SVD. Please ensure that we continue getting value for our money.
We need media, not only to look for the areas that are not working, but also to tell the good stories. I think the partnership that we enjoy with our media locally has really proved just that. And I think with those few words, I do really commend the work that's been done by the city with this budget. And we have launched a campaign, and with that I say hashtag Durban must rise.
Let me start by what Mr. Mile have said, to say hashtag Durban must rise. I like that. Today marks the beginning of the city's consultation process for the 2016-2017 financial year. We believe that the private sector is a key stakeholder to help us execute our mandate, growing our city's economy, creating jobs, and ensuring a better life for all of our people in the eThekwini Metro.
We're one of the few cities in South Africa that has such a positive relationship where we talk to each other and we discuss critical issues and we engage in self and mutual criticism so that we can build the city together.